Okay, what do we have today?
High-speed data is everywhere in vehicles now, and the last thing you want is for interference to make your vehicle's camera system freeze and stutter. Amphenol's HSD connectors are fully shielded connectors that are built for use with shielded twist quad cabling in LVDS cameras, USB, and other high-speed digital interfaces. The connectors are available in multiple colors with different connector keying to facilitate fast, correct installation. The housing features a self-aligning feature and high retention force between the die-cast connector and plastic housing, and primary and secondary locks provide high cable retention force. Cable side connectors are designed for automated crimping, and the connectors can be reflow soldered, supporting pin and paste processes. Cable assemblies are available from 0.5 meter to 7 meters long for connections throughout the vehicle. The connectors are US CAR 2 compliant and are compatible with competing products.